Hello, Brett. Um, but first, I want to give you this video to show you the progress and also to let you know how the current work, how the current functions, and also I will have to discuss with you about the left and also some questions on the current work. Okay, so you can see my desktop, and this is our application solution, and this is .NET Framework 4 solution, C# solution, and we have a project called Barcode Manager, and this is some of the folders with the source code, and I just already running this application on my local, and you can see that this is the main form called Barcode Manager, and there are some buttons in the toolbar, the product labels printer. This module is used to create the labels and print it, and just the first module we discussed. And the next one is the barcode monitor. That is, will monitor the serial, the port, and for the scanning of the labels. And the product manager is used to maintain the products for the create, delete, update, and so on. And this is the DB connection string setting is used to set the Firebird database connection. Okay, so currently I just use my current local. So we click this button, you will see that maybe my local computer is a little slow, and this is our solution, and this is source. This is the source code folder, and in the bin, I just put it in the execution directory. This is our database, and and I used a sort and I used a tool to show the database. This is our current database. There are 13 tables and the products, and I also inserted some testing products for our test purpose. And this is some of the products. And okay, so let's back to the our main form. This is the database, the DB file path, and for the, of course, this is the localhost data source, because as we discussed before, that these the different modules such as the product label, printer, and the barcode monitor, and the project and the product manager also use the same database. Okay, and so I will check more about this one. And okay, and then we can check the first module, the product label printer, and click this um, from the toolbar, and it will show the product labels printer form. And after that, it will load the products from the database on the left panel, and also some buttons and text box on the uh, form. And you can see that these are the products we got from the database. If there are more, these buttons will show more, and also the other products drop down list will show. And this is the print box scale and the print floor scale, and the box scale, pounds, panel scale, trace, node code, and sequence. And just for the grid view at the screen. I still need to discuss with you about the logic. So I haven't contained it in our current form. So that is not a big problem. Just to confirm with you about the logic. Okay. So first we should choose one product. For example, we click the first one and then check the input something on the box scale. For example, 11, the planet 22, and the trace 1, node code 1, sequence 1. Or maybe the select function haven't triggered. Maybe it is a little slow on my local. We still need to wait a little time to check the preview. Mhm. Okay, but maybe it is a delay on the produce. I will try to check more about how to make it more quicker. And you can see that this is the preview of the report. I say the report because I use the uh, Crystal report for this preview work. And okay. You can see that this is the product ID from database, and this is the serial number. Serial number that is 0000004, and the packet on, and this is some, and also this is the planet scale. And if I click the print floor scale, it should be have a different logic on it. And it will say, do you want to print current product label? Right now I just click no to make you know clear about the difference. Print box, you can see that the print box don't have the gross, right? And the print this one, and you can gross WT, the TR TARE WT. Okay, if we click the print, yes, it will load all of the connected printers, such as, for example, for my local, the HP LaserJet uh, printer, and this is another printer. So I think because I don't have the environment to test your printer, but I think this is not a problem because as my understanding, if this printer has installed and the drivers installed correctly, and the .NET framework can find this printer, I think that is true. Okay, and so right now I just give you for the testing purpose, I just print it to the Microsoft XPS document writer. Okay, and print it, and we will save it to my local and test label to debug. Okay, we can save it to debug too. Okay, it is successful, and after that we will go to this folder and check the test label. And also when the label is created, it also inserted the new record into our database. For example, this is the product labels table, and we check the data. This one is just I created. This is the the time created date is just my current date. And for the XPS format, we can check just wait a moment. And so this is the source code, and there are already many different code forms. And you can see that this is a label right now. And for the I think this is just the size of the of you said me before about the report about the label. So I think after I make something such as something um, completed, such as to make the function to work more quickly, and I will send you the source code and also the executable uh, file to you to test on your side. Okay. um, there are already some functions, some source code. And also I just have a for the barcode creation I used this is the image in creation in fact, and I just use access to store uh, the temp image files into the access table on the local. But that is not a problem, I think, because access is usable if you install the .NET framework on your local. And this is not a big issue. And so the so just as I said at the first, there is still some logic I have to confirm with you. Okay. After that, we uh, we will continue to the barcode monitor. This module will let us to monitor the port and to save the and to decrement the inventory and some and the sales order and something that but we can discuss it later. And the product manager is used to do the just as I said, to do the product maintenance. Okay. So I think the code is going well, but to be frank, it is the time is a little delay because at the first my estimation timeline is 20 days, but to be frank, it maybe needs more, maybe some a little more times to do the work. But I think, but I hope this is not a big issue you concern because I think everything goes well. We just try our best to make the functions to work. Okay. Thank you very much. I will talk with you later.